Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable night shift on your MacBook. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. In the top left side corner of your home screen, you can get one Apple icon logo. Just click on it and here open the system settings. In the system settings guys, in the left panel, scroll down and find out display like this, and in the right panel here you can get the option night shift. Just click and open it, and here you can customize the night shift for your MacBook. So if you want to turn on now, so you need to enable this option. Now the night shift was enabled on your MacBook. So now if you want to schedule the night shift on your Mac, so from here you can easily able to customize, or you can directly select from sunset to sunrise. So as per your choice you can select this option. Okay, so from here you can easily able to enable the night shift on your MacBook. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.